the Audi R8 V10 Plus Performance Parts Edition. This limited edition model sets new standards with its striking design and cutting-edge enhancements. From the front splitter to the rear diffuser and fixed wing, every detail is designed to maximise downforce and enhance the driving experience. Carbon fibre accents adorn the interior, seamlessly blending with exquisite craftsmanship. The leather trimmed seats and steering wheel provide a tactile connection to the road, while the unique badging and stitching emphasise its exclusivity. This particular 2018 R8 Performance Parts Edition, finished in its stunning Audi exclusive Misano red paint, has covered only 10,900 miles from new. The car also benefits from a full coverage in PPF. Under the hood, the 5.2 litre V10 engine unleashes an impressive 602 horsepower, propelling the car to a top speed of 205 miles per hour and achieving 0 to 62 miles per hour in a blistering 3.2 seconds. To experience the thrill of owning this ultra-rare and exhilarating masterpiece, contact us today to arrange a viewing and secure your opportunity to own this exceptional vehicle.